Hello friends, welcome to this new and exciting video on Chat GPT with Google Sheet. In this particular video, we will see how to use Chat GPT in Google Sheet or how to use the Chat GPT features with our project in Google Sheet. Okay, now in our previous video, we have already seen how to link ChatGPT with Google Sheet, how to install an extension, okay, for using ChatGPT with the help of Google Sheet. So today we are going to, in this particular video, we are going to learn how to use it, how to use the ChatGPT features in Google Sheet. Okay, now let's say first we want a tagline for supermarket. So what we will do, we will type GPT function, okay, and so whatever thing we will try to find out with the help of GPT is called as prompt. Okay, so our function is GPT. Okay, once you have written the function, then you have to write down the prompt. Let's say I want tagline for supermarket. Rent. So the code will execute and GPT will return one tagline for the supermarket, which I have written in the prompt. Okay, so these are the tagline. Okay, so instead of supermarket, what we will do, write a tagline for a shop. Write a tagline for grocery shop. Okay, so ChatGPT will execute the code and see the tagline for grocery shop is there. Freshness delivered, every bite nourishes. Okay, now let's say you want this particular tagline for different countries. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just copy this one and I'll type in here. So our prompt will be write a tagline for a grocery shop in. Okay, I'll just copy this multiple times. Okay, and in the next cell I'll write down the country names: India, America, France, Spain, Dubai, Kingdom, Sri Lanka. Okay, now let's say you want this particular tagline for the India country, India as a country. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just merge these two particular cell. This one, write a tagline for grocery shop in, and the second India. So this we can do using the Excel function or Google Sheet function, which is concatenate, right? So instead of concatenate, the most simple way will be just select the cell. Okay, put ample sign, then we want space, so I'll type space here, then again ample symbol, and the next cell, which is India. Okay, so write a tagline for a grocery shop in India. Similarly, write a tagline for a grocery shop in America, France. Okay, here spelling is incorrect, so France, Spain, Dubai, like this. So just drag it down. Okay, so this sentence, now we want this particular sentence to be used as a prompt. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll type just is equals to GPT. Now our prompt will be this particular, so just select this cell, okay, and close it, so it will execute. So see, now new tagline will be there, okay, for the grocery shop, which is present in India, America, France, for all countries, like this. Okay, so this is how we have to use GPT features for our Excel sheet. Okay, the last one is loading. Now, one more cool feature is there, which we can use in the spreadsheet. Now, let's say we want to convert these particular sentences in different languages. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will just type GPT. Okay, what will be our prompt now? Our prompt will be convert this to, let's say, Spanish. Okay, let's say first language is Hindi. Now what will be the value? We want this particular sentence to be converted into Hindi. Okay, I'll just, okay, now similarly, let's say we want to convert this particular sentence to another language. So I'll just copy, paste. Instead of D4, I'll type D5 and I'll select language as, let's say, Spanish. Similarly, if you want another language, you can select, let's say, French. So like this, you can convert your sentences into different languages. For that, we have one special function in GPT as well, which is translate. Okay. So this using Chat GPT with Google Sheet is very easy. Just make sure that you have to use correct prompt and you have to give correct address, means valid. Okay. Just you have to type the sentence, GPT will execute that particular sentence and it will return the answer. So I hope you have liked this particular video. So thank you for joining with me in this video. And one more important thing, we have already seen how to install GPT in our previous video. So just go and check it out. In short, I'll tell you, you have to click on this particular extension, go to add-on and click on get add-on. Once you clicked on get add-on, you have to just type GPT there. Okay, just type GPT and you have to install this particular add-on, GPT for docs, sheet and slide. Okay, just install it and open it, link with your email account and it will be ready to go. So thank you for joining with me in this video. Thank you all.